How to write text inside cards using Cricut Joy. Step 1. First, open the card up and fold it the other way. Step 2. Slide the bottom layer of the card underneath the top piece of the mat and place the top right on the mat. Step 3. Make sure to remove the protective sheet before you fold over the top. Step 4. Now, go to cricutdesignspace, select Shapes and choose a square box. Step 5. Reposition it and unlock it by clicking on the padlock in the toolbar. Step 6. Resize the square according to the size of the card. Step 7. Click on the color swatch button in the toolbar and change the color to white. Step 8. Now, click on the text tool, click on the fonts drop-down menu, then search and select a font. Step 9. Write the text and resize it to fit into the shape. Step 10. Then click on Alignment in the toolbar and select Center, then drag it on top of the card template. Step 11. If you wish to sign the card, go over to the text again, type in the words, and place it on the card template. Step 12. If you want to add other elements, select the element of your choice, click on the line type drop-down menu, and select Draw. Step 13. Resize and position the element on the card template. Step 14. Once you're happy with the result, select all the layers except for the base square from the Layers panel and click Attach. Step 15. Next, select the square and hide it by clicking on the eye icon next to the square layer in the Layers panel. Step 16. Now, go ahead and select your machine, then click on Make It. Step 17. Select on Card Mat and click Done. Step 18. On the Prepare Mat screen, center the design on the mat, taking into account the size of the card to the mat. Step 19. When you're ready, click on Continue, then click on Popular to select the material. Step 20. Select Insert Cardstock from the list of materials. Step 21. Open up your Cricut Joy, then go ahead and autoload the mat. Step 22. Once it's ready, open the clamp and swap the blade with a pen, if required. Step 23. Click Go in the design space and it'll start writing. Step 24. Once it's done writing, unload the mat and remove the card from the mat. Step 25. Pull out the card and fold it so you have the written part inside. Step 26. Now, you can create a design on the outside of the card if you wish to. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.